Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 21, I believe this is, of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. You may already own this razor, the Merkur 34C, probably one of the most popular razors ever made. Made in Solingen, Germany, I call it the workhorse of the industry. It's just very popular, pretty much bulletproof, no issues with it. The only complaint some people may have, the handle is too short. If you have manly hands, substantial sized hands, this handle may be too short for you. The solution to that is the Merkur 38C. Let's see them side by side. 38C, 34C. You can see that the 38C has a more substantial handle and it's a little bit thicker as well. It is the same head, the same classic head that Merkur makes on both razors, the 34C, 38C. We're going to concentrate on this one today. I'll perform a shave with this. We'll start at the top and work our way down. Gleaming chrome head. On the underside, you can see the two pins. No markings on the underside. And then you have a tapered band. It starts out thin and gets thicker. And then a thin ring, a thick ring, a smooth band, and then this diagonal knurling on the handle works its way down. And then another smooth band that is laser etched with Merkur, Solingen, Germany, around the band. And then you have two thin rings, a thick ring, and a thin ring at the bottom. The very bottom of the handle, smooth chrome. And this razor will stand up on its own, like that. So you can stand it up on your sink top if you wish to. This is designed to be a barber pole. Isn't that what it looks like? There you go. With the diagonal knurling, and then the bands at the top and the bottom. Let's disassemble. It is a two-piece razor. You spin the dial at the bottom and it comes right apart like so. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with one Merkur razor blade. We'll take one out of the paper right here. It reads Merkur Super, made in Germany. These are. Sometimes they're made in other places, but the ones I have right here, made in Germany. So let's drop that right over the post and the two pins. I guess it all depends on what comes in stock. We can't really tell how they're going to come. Just drop that back in, tighten the handle, lock it down all the way. Check that blade reveal. Perfectly even on both sides. There is a very, very small blade overhang right here. I'll call it about a 1/16 of an inch right there. Maybe like 1 or 2 millimeters, that's it. On the opposite ends, on the non-sharp sides. Okay, the shaving soap I'm going to use is Sterling Soap Bay Rum. We just got a bunch of these in, all their popular scents, and they smell fantastic. This really, they nailed it. I mean, this smells fantastic. It is Bay Rum for sure. I'm going to warm up my Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. The Bay Rum. I'll grab my little scooper spoon, and we're just going to scoop out just like, you know, that caterpillar-sized amount right there. And drop that down into the bottom of the bowl, right into the lather spot. So it looks like that, right there. The brush, the Shave Nation Black Synthetic G5 bristle brush, black bristles, black handle. Shave Nation right across the handle right there. Soak it under the hot water. Just saturate those bristles. Give it a couple shakes. I'm leaving a little bit of the water in there. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just swirl the tips down into that little clump of shaving cream or shaving soap that's in the lather spot at the bottom of the bowl. Pretty quickly, suds start coming up. The cream rises to the top, right? Just keep swirling, gets thicker and thicker. Fantastic Bay Rum scent. I don't know if there's clove in there, but you know, it's the clove, cinnamon scent that really smells great. Look at that bowl is filled with cream. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Smells fantastic. Okay, we'll set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm, as you can see. Let's just pick up our brush and our copious amounts of lather. Apply it. Let's commence to lathering. Start on the right. Work your way over to the left. Really nice, strong smell of bay rum. Paint it, dab it, swirl it, whatever you prefer, any method you like. Figure 8, smooth it out, drive it into the beard. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Alright, even with wet fingers, I'm going to use the Chrome 38C loaded with the Merkur blade. I have no trouble gripping this. We'll start on the right, work our way down. And I did have a couple days worth of beard growth for sure, 2 to 3 days. Coming off very nicely. When that one side becomes filled, you can see all that stubble. Flip it over to the other side. Very easy to hold. Drop it right in the palm and spin. Both sides are filled. Rinse that. Left side. Rinse that. Down the neck. Cleft. Very comfortable shaving. Tons of stubble down there in the drain. Okay, mustache, scoop right under the nose. Beautiful. All right, let's rinse the razor. Feel around. If you're smooth enough, you can stop right there. I'm pretty close. Nice and smooth, but we're going to keep going. We don't quit that easily. Let's do another pass. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time. Feels nice and cool with the bulk of the beard being removed. Figure 8, set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. First pass north to south with the grain. We'll now go across the grain. Backhand. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Beautiful. Rinse. Across the mustache. First with the corner, then lay it flat. Rinse the razor. Quick rinse of the face. Very nice. Let's do the half pass, the skim pass on the cheeks. Get them baby smooth. All right, we're just going to go against the grain on the cheeks. Not a scrape, but a skim. Just find that sweet spot right there. Beautiful. Other side. Excellent. Rinse that. Final rinse on the face, hot then cold water. Cold water feels great on the freshly shaven face. Let's take our Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. We'll seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any, but I don't think we got any. We got a nice, close, smooth shave. Feels great. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds. Put that off to the side. Then rinse off your face. Pat the face dry. All right, we're going to layer up. Now we'll use the fine classic aftershave Bay Rum. This just came out. We have this in stock as well. I haven't tried it yet, so maiden voyage. Well, it's got a good regulator. Keeps it coming out slow, so you don't get too much. Same deal. Clovey, cinnamon, that Bay Rum, classic Bay Rum scent. Very nice. Excellent. Dries quick and easy. No shine. A little bit of burn. So it says on the box, try with fine 21st century shave soap. Well, they don't have a Bay Rum shave soap. They need to get one. So you can use both of those products together. And most of their aftershaves, they are only 4 ingredients: alcohol, water, fragrance, and menthol. So that's a good thing. Let's take a final look at the razor, the Merkur 38C, made in Solingen, Germany. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 3.9 ounces or 110 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches or 101 millimeters. On Geofatboy's aggression scale, I'm going to give this a 5 to 6. It's a little bit heftier than the Merkur 34C, so I think the 34C is about a 5. We're going to go 5-6 on this. It is the same head, but a little bit heftier, a little bit more aggressive motion. Very comfortable to hold. I didn't have any problem with wet fingers holding this razor, and I love the 2-piece design. It's very simple. Just spin the dial, drop a blade in, you're good to go. You're not dealing with 3 pieces. Same thing as the 34C, like I said, only more substantial. If you prefer a more substantial razor, this will do it for you. I used the Merkur blade that came with it. It performed quite well. If you want to crank it up a notch, go with this feather blade right here. About the sharpest blade you can find. The other items, the Bay Rum, Sterling Bay Rum soap, fantastic. I give it 2 thumbs up. Smells great, lathered easy, lots of lather. The Shave Nation bowl right here, and the 5G synthetic brush. Still lots of lather left over. The Merkur Chrome HD long handle barber pole safety razor is patterned after the historic American barber pole. Features gleaming chrome, a spiral barrel for a sure grip, and a 2-piece design. Longer than the standard 34C HD if a more substantial feel in the hand is desired. Features the same head as the other Merkur classic safety razors. You can get it in black, you can get it in chrome. Either way. Before I head out, please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Almost 500 videos now, shaving and more. I appreciate that. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.